right, day one of this project is complete. As you guys can see, we already got all of this torn out here, all of this torn out along the side, and then come this way. For day two, we're gonna do a little bit of grading, so we're just gonna keep doing some of the final grade here, and then we got a big footing that's actually going across this section right here. This is actually gonna be a really awesome outdoor seating area for the business owner, Avogadro's Number. They've been here for over 60 years, and this is gonna be such a sweet addition. So we only have 1 week to get this project done, so stay tuned. It's gonna happen fast, but it's gonna be awesome end result.
And in case you're wondering what that purple stuff is, that's just insulation that's required by the city for our freeze and thaw that we get here in Colorado.
All right, what is up? We are about 8 working days into this. Right now, all of the footings are actually done. And so far, I'm just gonna show you guys a brief little, give you guys an idea of what we're doing. Honestly, this job would have been super easy if it wasn't for all these forms. The reason why we have to do this is because if you guys saw in the plans, this is actually gonna be more of like a piano keyboard, and it's gonna look really freaking sweet when it's all done. So got that upper patio piece poured with that footing. So yeah, everything is looking really good. We have had some delays with the GC and with the project itself. That's honestly just part of jobs like this. Also, if you guys aren't aware, we do have a new mastermind for any contractors that are specifically in concrete and hardscaping. Make sure you click the link down below because it includes a course, a software, a peer mentorship group, and it's only for $97 and it has a full money back guarantee. So if you're trying to grow your business or if you just want to be part of a good, awesome community, click the link down below to learn a little bit more.
All right, well, we just wrapped up that project, got our final payment, got everything all cleaned up. Everything turned out really nice. The customer's happy. We left with about what we expected as far as profit. And so it was a win-win for both us and the customer. And even though there were some delays along the way, we kind of always expect there to be when it comes to light resident or light commercial work like that. I did just want to say, if you want to do more jobs like this, or you want to learn more about the sales, the marketing, the pricing, the back end of the business, I know I talked about it in the very middle of this video, but make sure you guys check out our mastermind. Link will be down in the description. It's a 2-week free trial. You get access to spreadsheets, courses, software, and literally everything I could possibly throw in. 2-week free trial, then only $97 a month. And also make sure that if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It costs us quite a bit of money to film all this content and edit it. And I'm trying to do it to help educate you guys out there for free. So the only thing I ask in return is if you got anything of value out of this, leave a like and subscribe. That helps me out a ton. And I will see you guys in the next video.